I just bought 3 of the cheapest metal cabinets you can buy for garage storage on Amazon, and we're going to find out how absolutely wonderful or terrible they are. Welcome to... So every winter I end up doing a project to keep me busy, and for the last 3 years it's been concrete and sprinklers. Well, I finally got my driveway redone. I have this sweet black box theater type theme going on in here, but when I roll my toolbox over and put it right there, I've still got all of these tools that need to go somewhere. So I measured my up here and I realized that that is exactly 3 units of 31.5 inches long, and Amazon has some super cheap garage storage boxes that are 31.5 inches wide, which means I can do 3 of them. Now these cabinets are obviously not assembled, so we've got to assemble them. We'll start by disassembling the box that they're in. Got an instruction manual. It's kind of cool. It has a assembly video, shows you how to do it. This is going to be our bottom piece. I see a dent over there already, but I think that this is going to be fairly self-explanatory. Let's see what comes with them, huh? We've got our 2 support rods. Door shaft standby, that does something. Got a couple of these wall mounts. Oh, that's cool. Comes with some gloves and a screwdriver too. Back piece, and then a top piece to put on here. Now this guy right back here, it's got little screw holes, so it's got to go on this way. So it kind of puts itself like that. You got to go through the sides on the front here too. Makes a lot of sense how this is constructed too. Whoops. Figure out how to get this door on. Got these little hydraulic supports to the top there. Pretty neat. So we've got a little ball hitch guy that goes on the bottom, and then a mount that goes on the top, and they just kind of click onto the thing. So let's do that. So for these, it's just like a trailer hitch. Pop it right on there. Boom. And boom, just like that. All right, so here's our little cabinet here. It's actually snowing, if you believe it. And that's how it opens. Close. Very simple. Honestly, that's freaking perfect. Like, what's this thing cost me? 60 bucks per? Some 200 bucks into 3 of these? It's not bad. And we'll have plenty of room for whatever that is. I'm gonna get these put up here, and then I'll show you what they look like, and we'll see how much I can actually fit in there, because I got 3 of these. So I'm gonna put those together, get them up, go from there. All right, it's been about 4 months. It's late in June now, and those have been up since February, which is when I set all of those up, recorded all of that, and then put them up there. So let me give you a quick breakdown of what's inside of each of these and the approximate weight. Then I want to go ahead and take a look at the back. I mounted them in a little bit special of a way to add some storage and make sure that they're up there super, super strong. Now, one of the cool features about these is that they're made of metal, so I don't have to worry about them breaking down like wood might in an environment like this, where we're in my carport and there's moisture that gets blown onto these. Now, you'll see this magnet right here. This is just a magnet you get from Harbor Freight. They're about $3. Slap it on there, and it allows me storage on the inside. I've also got this that's magnetized to it as well for my shop rags, my laser level. And so you come in here, I've actually got that guy there. This has a magnet built into it, and then I usually will keep my calipers and other things right on there. The rods that spring up the top there pretty good shape. They work pretty well. I feel really confident with this. I can actually be incredibly rough with these, and I'm not worried at all. Now, another thing to note here, I use my Ryobi light for a lot of things, but it actually fits. It just hangs on there really easy. I love that about it. Probably unintentional, but nonetheless, it's quite a feature. Again, they're metal, so I have my work lights here, magnetic stuff. This is my cleaning stuff cabinet. I got some oil in there, slide hammer set, just random little bits of stuff. This is tall enough to put those rags in with just a little bit of space. I can fill this whole thing up with rags. I also do have stuff up there, jack stands. I've got some of my car wash stuff over there, ramps. Don't ever really need those anymore because of the new lift. We're kind of doing a long-term test on how that's going to last outdoors. Yeah, for the 200 bucks I paid for these, absolute steal of a deal. I love them. There's, yeah, literally no worry about any sort of rust or anything. And if you come back here, I actually screwed this guy into there and then mounted this against the wall. This wall is a kind of bumpy guy, so this was sort of required, but I can also keep my level in there, and then I can keep other long things over there as well. And it gives me the opportunity to keep my chargers up here, which I've actually pre-installed screws, so as I get those little Ryobi kits, you know, charger battery free tool, we'll just add to it. So really cool situation. Let me know if you bought these bad girls in the past and how you liked them. There's a couple different sizes. Should I have gone bigger? Should I have not bought them at all? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, and have a great day. We're about to make history here, folks. Hit the subscribe button.